Everybody, Brian back here with another look at this Kaspa chart. All right, this is my, I have two charts here. This is my second one here. You're looking at a breakout of a resistance. This blue resistance coming down through here. All right, we've gotten a breakout of that. We're going to take a look here. We got some bullish divergence going on also. So we'll take a look at this chart here. Got some news. We had a new exchange listing here on Coinstore EXC. All right. Coinstore.com, new listing, Kaspa. That went live on January 22nd. Okay, so what is that? Is that today? I believe. Yesterday. I apologize. That ended up being yesterday. All right, and we also had Travala.com. Now you can use Kaspa on there to travel, book flights, hotels, resorts, and other activities. All right, you can use Kaspa on there. That just came out within the last 24 hours. Travala.com. All right, if we look down through here, nothing else really too big going on there, but every new listing absolutely helps. So there we go on Coinstore.com. Another new Kaspa listing. All right, let's go over here to the top addresses. We've added one whale in the last 24 hours. That's 10 million to 100 million Kaspa, plus one, minus 3 sharks. I'm taking it that one of these sharks probably became a whale. That's probably what happened there. So for the last 30 days, we're plus 5 whales and plus 2 humpbacks. All right, so they always tell you to follow the money. There you go. You got the big boys stacking up here. All right, let's go over to CoinMarketCap. The market cap is at 2.2 billion. That's up 3.6%, and volume is down 32% at 18.9 million. We're ranked number 38 now. All right, over on CoinGlass, let's take a look at the liquidations here. Last 24 hours, let's pull this up here, 106.9 million. That's down 64% from yesterday. All right, looks like Bitcoin is getting in a bounce area here. So open interest at 35.4 billion. That's up 1.6%. And the 24-hour crypto volume for the whole market, 95 billion. That is down 31.41% from yesterday. All right, here's your crypto bubbles. About time. All right, we've been looking for a bounce. Last couple days have been red. Here you go. We got some nice bounces going on here. So Mana, ranked number 89. There's always these ones sneaking in the top, in and out of the top 100. This Tau, I've been hearing a lot of stuff about this lately too. I think we're going to start covering that. Quite a bit of the members end up are involved in that, so we're going to take a look at that. Speaking of members, I want to give a big shout out to all the members here, guys. Thank you so very, very much. I appreciate it more than you know. I really, really do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, I'm going to go down through here real quick. I'm not going to read every single name. I know some people get irritated with that. Well, these people pay money. These are paying members, so they're going to get every bit of attention that I have. I mean, all right, so if you haven't yet, guys, please check out the level 3 trading membership, $14.99, 9 hours worth of videos, 20 videos in there to give you a head start on trading here. We have a bull run coming up, so you're going to want to know every little bit you can, every bit of advantage you have over the next person is going to come into play. I guarantee that. All right, let's take a look here real quick at Bitcoin. That green line down here was the 702 fib level. It has gotten that bounce from there. It hasn't regained that 40,300 yet. Okay, that's the main area. I definitely want to see it retake that. That's this yellow line right here. Right here, 40,300 bucks. All right, so looks like on the daily here, it's reset. Okay, and on the 3-day, you got a reset here on Bitcoin. So I would be expecting a bounce here. I think this bottom has come in temporarily. You know, this could be our retracement that we've been looking for. So we're going to keep an eye on these levels here. Let's get this off here first. All right, we're going to be looking for a bounce up here at a Bitcoin. You know, hopefully we can get that 45,000. That's a 618. We'll see what happens here. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be a battle the whole way up here. All right, these levels are not going to be easy to retake, but that first one, 40,300. Definitely want to see Bitcoin retake that. Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, look at this bounce. All right, that we knew this thing was going to bounce. We've been calling this for a while now. As soon as it came down here, that daily got reset. You can see the daily heading up. All right, let's take a look at the 3-day and see where it's at. Yeah, the 3-day is just reset now too. It's bullish. Yeah, so Bitcoin dominance could have a pretty decent run in store here. All right, what's going to be interesting is when it gets up to these upper levels, especially that 702. You know, once it gets back up here, we'll see what happens up here. That 702, look how it comes in right at resistance at 53.94. Look, that was resistance over here, resistance. So it's going to come in right at a resistance level. So we're looking for that rollback. You know, probably going to come up here at 702 and then hopefully roll over and drop down out of here. That's what we're hoping. All right, let's move on here. The Dow Jones today is up. It's down actually 40 points. Look at this thing. This thing has just been an absolute beast. Look at the Dow Jones. If you go on a weekly, it really is a lot more impressive. Look at that move. This is the previous all-time high over here. And that thing is just still going. We got that weekly right at the top. This is when I think Bitcoin's probably going to have its pullback. When this Dow Jones flips bearish, it's still bullish, a 97 and a 96 on the weekly. On the monthly, 99 and an 85, still heading up. All right, so as soon as that flips bearish, I think that's when Bitcoin's going to have its big pullback. And then you can see the Dow Jones maybe come back to this support line and maybe mess around there for a little bit. You know, got Bitcoin halving coming up here in April, and then we're expecting a massive bull run this year. Man, I am excited. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot wait. I've been waiting for this time to come. All right, on the 4-hour, we do have a breakout here. Like I said on this, let's get my pointer out here. There we go. We got this breakout of resistance. It's coming back now. I expect it maybe to back test this 0.0967. All right, then maybe hopefully this thing bounces from there. All right, if we zoom in on this, would be looking for a 618 or 702 pullback. Where's it going to put us? Look at that. That's 618 right there. Right at the 0.0968. All right, that's where I'm watching for a bounce out of this thing. It could bounce where it's at now, but I'd be watching for this 0.0968. Okay, then I think this thing's going to take off. We got bullish divergence here. Let me show you on the 8-hour. Let's get this off here first. All right, we got bullish divergence here. If we pull this up, you can see right here, you have this low, and then you have a higher low. All right, right there. I don't know why it does that, why it's doing that, but it's kind of odd how that thing's doing that. But you see the higher lows there, all right? And then on price action, right in the same exact area, you have this low and you have a lower low on price. Okay, so that's bullish divergence on the 8-hour. The 8-hour is still going up and bullish. The 12-hour heading straight up, 62 and a 38. Then you got your daily. Look at this. This is the exciting ones here. The daily is reset and bullish. You got your weekly. at a 6.6 and a 12. All right, almost there, just ready to flip. And you also have a 3-day that is reset. All right, so you have all the bigger time frames, the daily, the weekly, and the 3-day are all reset. All right, and bullish. That's why I've seen some articles about people. I seen one article about a big pullback coming for Kaspa. All right, I don't see that anytime soon. All right, especially with the daily, the weekly, and the 3-day reset. Where's the monthly? All right, we don't have a monthly yet. Not quite yet, okay? But you got, like I said, you got the daily is at the bottom, the weekly is at the bottom, and the 3-day is at the bottom. All right, this thing's getting ready to go. All right, I don't see any massive pullback anytime soon out of this thing. All right, watching for a pullback down to the 0.0967, and looking for a bounce from there out of this thing. All right, this could be then a wave 1, 2, working on a third wave. If after this bounce, if this is a third wave coming up, this should be a pretty decent move. One sign of a breakout is going to be the break of 10.3. Okay, that was this high right here. Keep your eyes on that. All right, any break of 10.3, and this thing's going to start going. All right, I believe it's ready to blast off here anytime. All right, this is my other Kaspa chart. This is the one you guys are used to looking at here. All right, I just get two of them out because it's good to have two perspectives here. But what this was just resistance all down through here. All right, and then you can see the breakout of the resistance here. All right, we're going to get this symmetrical triangle off here pretty soon. In fact, let's just get rid of it now. It's kind of playing out away from that area right now, so we'll just go with we got the breakout here of this resistance level, so we're going to keep a very close eye on that. Like I said, that's 618, and please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that very much. That 618 fib level is going to be your pullback area, right? Let's pull this down here. Right there, that's where I'm expecting that bounce to happen. Okay, so keep your eye on 0.097. That is right down here. That is a 618 fib. Both of these have, this one has 0.097, and the other chart, let me show you this, because this one's from MEXC, and then this one is the KuCoin chart, and this one has 0.0968 as the bounce area here. So we'll just keep an eye on both of them. All right, guys, thank you so much. Congratulations on the new listing, everybody, and keep your eye on Kaspa. This thing's getting ready to go here pretty soon. Have a great day, everybody.